Hi, M5671. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, Ma'am and Sir. I'm Kimberly Castañares, born in August 16, 1997, 27 years old, from Davao del Norte, single,
Okay. Your religion?
Catholic,
Your highest educational attainment?
high school graduate, sir.
Okay. Since I saw that you have experience being a helper here in the Philippines, tell me about your experience as a helper.
I have two, I have one kids
You're taking care
to
of
take
one
care
kid.
of. Yes, sir.
Okay. How old?
2 years old, sir.
Okay. And other household chores that you do?
Cooking, iron man,
Okay.
iron,
Ironing and
ironing, wash the clothes, and
okay.
cleaning the house.
Okay, since I saw that you don't have any experience taking care of a newborn baby, my question is, it is okay to you to take care of a newborn?
Yes, sir.
Okay, if you have an idea, how do you prepare a milk for a newborn?
Yes, sir. Wash my hand. Wash the bottle. Bu- santi-
Okay, sanitize?
Sanitize. Uh, put the milk. Put the correct milk and warm water, and shake the bottle and check the temperature and give the baby.
Okay, if the baby is crying, what will you do?
Check the temperature and feed the baby and check the diaper if wet.
Okay, and if the baby doesn't stop to cry after you check the temperature, the diaper, and also you feed the baby, and the baby doesn't stop to cry, what will you do?
Call the parents
Okay,
and call the
you call the parents
yes, sir.
because
Because the baby doesn't stop crying.
okay, because maybe the parents know what to do to the baby to make it stop to cry, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
High salary and need and
And how long do you want to work in Hong
2
Kong?
years, sir. 2 years and more.
So it is okay to you to extend your contract if your employer wants you to
Yes,
extend.
sir.
Okay. What will you do if there is someone outside of the house of your employer telling that they were a visitor and they ask you to go inside and your employer doesn't at home that day? What will you do?
Call the employer.
And what you
Call
should
to madam.
so what you should say to your employer if you call your employer?
Uh,
What you should ask to your employer?
as to madam if they have a visitor.
And if they don't have any visitor that day,
Call the police.
okay, you can call the police and also do not entertain people that your employer doesn't know, right?
Yes, sir.
Because it's too dangerous to entertain people that your employer doesn't know. Okay, do you have any idea how to prepare Chinese food?
No, sir.
But it is okay to you to learn.
Yes, sir.
And how will you learn to cook?
Watch the YouTube and buy the cooking book.
Okay, if your employer prepared some food that you are not familiar of, it is okay to you to eat the food that they provide.
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to cut your hair into short.
Yes, sir.
How about sharing jobs with a helper?
Yes, sir.
Sharing room with kids, is this okay with you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, it is okay to you to take care of pets.
Yes, sir.
How about taking care of elderly?
Yes, sir.
Okay, if there is any instances that one of your employer's family don't know how to speak English, it is okay to you to learn Cantonese?
Yes, sir.
Okay, my last question is, what will be your message for your future employer?
Mom and sir, please hire me. I will.
What can you promise to your employer?
I promise to take care of your family and love your family. And
Can you also promise to follow the rules and regulations of their house?
yes, mom and sir.
Can you promise you will be honest,
Yes, sir.
trustworthy,
Yes, mom.
and be responsible to every task given to you?
Yes, mom.
Okay. Thank you very much, Miss Kimberly.
Thank you.